Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. We are going to be doing a video today in a place that you really haven't seen too much of before. I'm in my hometown, Atmore, Alabama, and I'm in my house. And I thought it would be kind of fun today to do a little house tour of the house I grew up in. So to kind of give you a context, it's like a Southern antebellum style house. It was built in 1987, I believe, and we bought the house in 2000. So I was born in 1996, so I was about 4 years old when we moved into this house. So it really is like the house I truly grew up in. And yeah, so I wanted to kind of give you a little house tour and show you the outside, inside, upstairs, downstairs, all the places. And this won't be like a super in-depth video, but I do want to give you like a full overview of my house because I just thought it would be a fun little day. But also today we do have a giveaway, and I will insert a little mini clip right here so you can see what the giveaway is for today because I don't want to mess it up. Hold up, pausing the video today to tell you about today's giveaway. But before I do want to say that I really do appreciate every single person that has entered my giveaways so far, and I really do appreciate it. If you do watch my entire videos, I do see your comments that are talking about things later on in the video, not just about the giveaway, and I really do appreciate those. So yeah, make sure you watch this one. It's a really fun one. I love watching house tours, but I did want to say that. But I'll go ahead and get to today's giveaway, and the description on how to enter will be in the box below. But yeah, enjoy today's video. I throw some jabs at my biological father if you're into those. Another video is coming on that, by the way. I've had some questions about that. But yeah, so today's giveaway is going to be 2 of my favorite perfumes. Together these are valued at about $100 or more. And these are no longer made, or one of these I know for sure is no longer made, so this is like vintage. And if you don't like it, you can give it to a friend because this is like a household favorite. So one of the things is Victoria's Secret Crush. It's a full-size perfume. I got this before it was discontinued this year because I know so many people that love this perfume, and I have it myself. I wear it almost every day. It's super florally and fresh, and it smells so good. And then also Pink Gold, and this is more of like warm and vanilla, and it smells really good. So yeah, together that's about $100 value, and I want it to go to someone that loves perfume like I do. So if you're interested in that, go ahead and enter below. All the info's down below, but keep watching my house tour. I would greatly appreciate it. So we are going to start with outside. It's super humid today. I'm wearing a sweater because I live in Ohio now, so I wasn't really prepared for this weather, and I went outside a second ago to kind of test the lighting, and it's super like foggy every time I step outside, so bear with us. I'm going to try and get it to where it's not humid and like fogs up the camera lens. But yeah, make sure to go ahead and subscribe, give this video a thumbs up if you like it, and enter today's giveaway. So we're going to go ahead and get started. So this is the front of my house. Hopefully it's not too foggy with all of the humidity that's out here. So like I said, it's a Southern antebellum house, built in 1987, I believe. And none of this video is meant to be braggy. This is like an older house that didn't have a lot of the stuff that it has now, but has just been like renovated since we bought it. You can see, if you look closely, my kitty cat Dibbles in the pine straw over there. But yeah, and again, I want to mention, actually I don't think I mentioned this yet, we did not clean the house before I decided to do this video, so you're going to be seeing it like on the reel. My mom is a very clean person though, but as you can see, this is my driveway. We have a lot of leaves out here. Well, this middle part is leaves, but on the road we normally like blow off the driveway all the time. Well, I don't, because I don't really live here anymore. But yeah, the leaves, they're falling now. You can hear them. So yeah, and then we have like the yard up there, just grass. We have like columns to come into the house. And yeah, this is just our big driveway. This was actually like a light pink when we bought it, like a super light pink. And it's now white and has black shutters and like a baby blue top. We'll just go around here. We have a little light fixtures, then that's just straight up woods. I live in the woods, obviously. We do live in like a neighborhood. I wouldn't want to say suburban area, but there are houses like all down the street. So we're gonna go up the steps. Oh, there's Daisy. Hello. Come on, you wanna come inside? Yeah, this is Daisy. She's the star of the show. So yeah, we have this like wrapper, well, it's not full on wraparound, it's like a half wraparound porch, and I'll show you what's on the other side of that door. and all of these doors actually. I'm not going to show like super detailed into anything. This is just like a random spot, Daisy's potty spot. This is going into our backyard. I figured I would just do the entire outside first. This is kind of like, you can't tell because of all the leaves, like a half basketball court, and that was the basketball goal. I think my brother and his friends might have broken it. But yeah, this is where we'd always play basketball. And then this is grass under here. You cannot see it because of all the leaves. And then we have our shed. And then we have a carport, and there's like a little storage unit behind there. That's my brother's boat. And then I won't go in there. This is an office. I do want to mention this is my mom's house. Me, my mom, and my brother. Well, mainly my mom and my brother live here. Dad used to live here, but then he went to get the mail and never came back. So, just kidding. Not really. I'm kidding, but not. So, yeah, he does not live here. This is 100% my mom's house. So, yeah, making it awkward always. But yeah, this is my mom's house, and this is our weight room. This used to be, I guess, my biological father's weight room, but he decided he didn't want to come back, so he took all the weights, and yeah, having a different life now. But that's cool. Probably gonna get in trouble for saying that, but who cares? It's the truth. And then back here we have our pool. It is kind of like dirty right now with leaves, but again, it is December, so these are palm trees. They're kind of, you know, dead right now. Again, it is December. This is our pool house over here. I'll show you guys a closer look. But yeah, we normally have like lawn chairs and stuff out here, or we used to. Daisy's being a good investigator. I don't even know if this is open, honestly. Oh, the door is really sticky. Why is it sticky? Okay, so yeah, this is just an empty pool house. It has a little bathroom. It's probably dirty. Don't even want to know it's in here. Hi. So yeah, this is our little thing. We haven't used this in years. But again, a lot has changed over the last several years, and y'all know that if you've been on my channel before. And this is like where we were earlier. It wraps around. So this is the back porch. This is where all the fun summer things used to happen. I would also to mention this house is for sale. I don't think I said that already. And now we're gonna go up into the sunroom. So we're gonna open the door and have an alarm so you can't come and get me. This is our sunroom. It used to have like a couch and TV in here and all that, but now, okay, you can go outside. You can go outside, you can come inside. Okay, she is mostly an outside dog, but she loves water bottles. Okay, so, you're such a good girl. So this is Daisy's room. She's so cute. And this is like her little bed area. And then now we're gonna get into our kitchen area. Our house has kind of like been redone, but again, like I said, it's for sale. So, hit me up if you live in the Atmore area. But so yeah, this is how my mom decorated for Christmas. Super cute, super simple. I don't know where she got a lot of this stuff. I'll ask her, and if I can get enough places, I'll link it down below. Nice little table, little things, benches. So yeah, super simple. Again, we're gonna move out eventually, so that's why a lot of it's kind of naked. Like we used to have chairs around that. These are really simple and really cute, and I like that. This is our kitchen. Like I said, used to have chairs around it. Really simple kitchen. We made these pumpkin ribbon cake rolls yesterday. If you want to watch my video, it's on my channel. So yeah, this is all of our dishes. It's very southerny, but like simple modern kind of vibes. We'll do the dining room before we do the living room. Living room's like my favorite room. We'll go in here. This is our laundry room. Won't show you too much of that. It's not really exciting. So the dining room looks totally different now than it used to. This used to be red, and it used to be like reds and browns and kind of like scary looking. Not scary looking, but you know, like not modern. I'm more of a modern person. It was kind of like old-fashioned. That is a picture of me on the wall. We probably need to take that down. That's kind of odd. That's for my senior portraits. But yeah, we have those same little blueberry wreaths up there, and that mirror needs to be hung. But I love the dining room. We have just like, it's like a cream and bluey green vibes. Very simple, modern. And then we used to have a huge china cabinet. We sold a lot of furniture y'all know I have a lot of yard sales. And so yeah, we have this nice little table, little simple decor. I really want to have like a Christmas party here, but yeah, we used to have Christmas parties here, and I used to have my birthday parties here all the time. So yeah, Daisy's watching for something. So yeah, it's now like a blue color wall, as you can tell. We have this like old chandelier. We haven't changed a lot of the stuff since we even moved in, but yeah, we have like these double doors, and then we have the same double doors over here, and this is the entryway. Hello. Hello. That's my mom. This is her home. Then you come in here, and this is our pool room. This used to be our, sorry, I had to take a break. She was walking down the stairs. This used to be like a room of like, had like all kinds of football and like baseball, basketball, signatures, and then Dad took that too. So I could say a lot of things about that, but I won't in this video because it's kid friendly. So we have our pool table here, all the good stuff. We used to play in here a lot. This used to be our couch that was in the living room. Yeah, it's a little empty now, but now we'll get into the fun room, which is the living room. Before we get into the living room, I'll show you my piano room. This is my piano, super outdated. These pencils hold this thing up. It's super old. Fun fact, I actually had another YouTube channel before this YouTube channel where I have like 3 piano videos because I thought that's how I was gonna make it, but this is technically like the library. We used to have this like covered in books, and again, we're kind of like in the process of not moving out, but like it's for sale, and we're like renovating, and so a lot of this is empty, but if we ever do like redo it totally, I will give y'all an updated video. But yeah, this is just my piano. I might do a piano video one day. So we have a picture of our house in our house. I've never really thought of that, but this is our living room. It's just like a cream, off-white, bluey green, kind of simple, modern vibe. Super cozy and comfy. And then this is our Christmas tree, and we have our fireplace. Super simple. I feel like a lot of this decor in here came from like Home Goods, and some came from Target, but yeah, this used to also be a bar when we moved in, which is really random, and we changed it into like a TV studio thing, I guess. So yeah, that's that. This is our really pretty tree, and then we get over here, that's me when I was a child, and then that's my brother, and then we have just super simple stuff. If you want to see like all the details of where we got stuff, just ask me down below, and then I'll ask my mom where she got it, because I feel like that would just be a lot to add. Sorry, that's the alarm. And then also to mention, these are the double doors that go out into the backyard. We don't use these doors though, so yeah, and that's where you can see the pool and everything. And then those doors are the side doors that wrap around to the front porch. And then we also saw it in the living room already. And yeah, this is pretty much most of the downstairs. This is our little half bathroom. This is like, I don't even, that's scary. This is like a storage closet behind the TV. And yeah, now I'll show y'all upstairs. We also have this pineapple that comes off. This came with the house, and apparently it's like a southern thing. Like when you're ready for people to leave, you're supposed to put this pineapple on their pillow. I don't know. If you know the story, tell me. We'll go upstairs. We have, there was another picture there. I don't know where that went. So this is upstairs. This is what you see when you first walk upstairs. We used to have like a huge like china cabinet with all kinds of random stuff in it. But yeah, this is like what you see when you first get up here. So I won't go in this room. This is my brother's room. This was my bedroom. But somehow when I moved out, he took over. And if you can think of like 2 people that are completely opposite, that is me and my brother. So we won't even go in there because not my kind of vibe. And this is my old bathroom, technically my brother's bathroom now. This has also been redone, this bathroom. We used to have like one of those clawfoot tubs and showers. It was super creepy. It was the worst shower ever, but it has been redone, so it's super nice now. Yeah, does need to be cleaned, but it's kind of like a cool vibe. I like this bathroom because you don't, it's like one of those, you don't even have to turn the lights on. Like if you take a shower, you have like that natural lighting coming through. So I really like that. It's like our little bathroom thing. Again, when I'm here, I use my mom's. And this is my brother's old bedroom. So a little bit smaller. My bedroom honestly was really big when I had it, but super echoey because there's nothing in here. And this is the balcony. So that is my old bedroom, his bedroom now. And this is the balcony that we have. And you can see like our front yard from it. That was his closet. So this is another room. This is pretty much where all this stuff is going that we have to either have like a yard sale for and sell, but it's like a lot of like our trophies and like kid toys and baby toys and stuff like that that we're either gonna probably sell before we move, and this is all stuff that was also in my closet before he took over. A lot of this is just like kind of junk, but at the same time some of it's not. So yeah, there's like my cheerleading microphone, my old jewelry box, just a bunch of random stuff. This is my research paper I did on the Kardashians. No, that's Ernest Hemingway. Just kidding. I did do one on the Kardashians though, and it was really good. That's when I was little Auburn cheerleader. So these are like oil paintings, and now we're going into my mom's room. So this is my mom's room, and has like a fireplace in here, and then we got the TV stand. This is her bed, and if you notice, this is my same bedding that I have in my apartment. So she liked it enough to where she was like, I'm gonna go get that too because it's really comfortable. It's from Target. But yeah, so she is again like in the process of redoing, because she hasn't gotten a new bed in like a long time. So I think a lot of this she's waiting until we sell this house, get a new house before she gets it like her dream room, I guess you could say. But yeah, the white is always a good option to go with for like comforter and like bedding, because you can throw on any color. But yeah, this is her side of the bed. This is my side of the bed when I stay here. Yeah, sleep with her when I'm here. This was my dad's, but again, went to get the mail, never came back. So yeah, he can do whatever. So this is like an extra little add-on. Well, it was already here, but it looks like it's like an addition to the bedroom. So this is like all of my luggage and stuff from when I came here. And then this is her balcony. Looks the same as mine, and there's a lizard. You can see, I don't know if you can see, I don't think you can. This used to, I don't even know what used to be here. We have like this huge mirror in here. There used to be a dresser right there. I think another dresser over here. Out here you can see the pool again. Again, sorry, it's a little dirty. So yeah, this is her closet. Got all of her shoes and stuff. And my closet does look pretty much just like this, or my old closet did. And it's like a really big closet, and it also like leads to the attic and has like all the power stuff in here. This is the bathroom. It has also been redone. We have like this mirror on the wall. I really do like her bathroom a lot. And then it's just super simple. This is all of my stuff, all the double sinks. So this is a better view of that. And then I love her bathroom. It's super calming. Sorry, the lighting's a little, we need to fix that. But she has like this jacuzzi tub. Love this tub. It's amazing. Toilet, little magazine holder, and the shower is like my favorite thing. It has a bench in it. This is honestly like my favorite thing in the whole house. But yeah, and it has like a little thing you can take off. It's a super nice shower. I love the shower. Great water pressure. Overall view of her room. And that was pretty much all the upstairs and downstairs and outside. Okay guys, I think I'm gonna end the vlog right there. If you have any questions about where any particular things came from, or literally if you're like a friend or something that lives back home in like the Atmore area, hit me up if you are interested in buying this house. It is for sale. That is like serious inquiries only. Inquiries, you know, serious stuff only. I can't say words. But yeah, that's where we're gonna end the vlog. And make sure to enter my giveaway. We are going up to 12. It's crazy that we already have this many up now. But yeah, if you haven't entered, make sure to. You can enter all the giveaway. If you have questions about like particular stuff, let me know. I just thought it'd be fun to kind of show you where I grew up. This is my home. I'll see y'all in my next video, and stay blessed wherever you are. Actually, I'll see you tomorrow. So have a nice night. Bye.